And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 294. Let me show you the mix feature of the mixer brush tool. Again, B is the short key for this toolbox. Right click on it if you can't find the mixer brush. There it should be. Let me confirm here, and now I sample this color and I have this option here active for refilling after each stroke. You can hold Alt and then left click on these colors to sample them. Start with blue, and as I've said, we want to focus on the mix. Wet is set to 25%, load also, flow 100%, and we'll start with a mix of 100%. Got the blue color loaded, and we want to paint now over red. You can see not much is happening. We have a little bit of blue, but mostly red. If I go down to like 10%, and I do it again, bluish color is loaded, left click on the red circle, and now we have way more blue. And this is what the mix does. It sets the ratio of the mixing between the two colors. So the loaded color is on the lower end, so it starts at 0%, and the color that you want to mix it with, so in our case the red color, is then at the higher end, 100%. Everything in between then sets that ratio. In our case, let me press Ctrl Z here, and I make that 1%. That means we would get a lot of blue, because we are more at the lower end. If I set that to 50%, there's a good mix between the both, red and blue. Let me go to 75%, a lot of red this time, and 99% will give us mostly red and just a little bit of blue. Let me delete this layer. Now we have only red circles, and the same also works for colors that you don't sample from anywhere, but set here via color swatch. Let me make that green. I'll start with confirming here. Let me set that to 99% and 50%. This already gives us a little bit of green. 25% more green. And then let me try 95%. And that's a lot of red. So you can see that it's always about the ratio. So the lower you go, the more your color swatch, whatever color you've sampled or set, this will dominate the color mix. And if you go higher, then the color that's originally there on the canvas, this will dominate. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.